Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. I'd like to show you something that I got today for my diesel truck. As many of you know, with a diesel truck, you have a block heater on most of them where you can plug it up to an extension cord from your house and it'll heat up the oil and the engine block for easier starts during the winter and makes it easier on your engine. I got tired of walking around to the front of my truck or forgetting to walk around and unplug it and having to plug in an extension cord to a regular house socket type plug. I found myself wanting something a little bit easier, and I found this extension that will plug in to the original plug, and then this I can put anywhere I want that has a spring-loaded cover here, and then you just plug your extension cord straight into here. What I'm going to do is put this in my driver's side fender right by the driver's door where it's easily accessible on my truck and makes it a lot easier for me to remember to unplug it when I leave, and also where I don't have to walk around in the snow or anything to get to it. It also comes really nicely with a hole saw that is made for this to cut a hole in wherever you're trying to put it. Let's go take a look real quick, show you some steps on how I installed it real quick. As you can see, this went right in pretty good. First, I pulled the inner fender well out and the wheel off so I could get up inside and see where I had free space and that if I drilled through, I wasn't going to hit any wires. Then I took the hole saw that came with the unit and drilled a hole through, being very careful not to let it jump around and to hold it very steady. It wasn't very hard, went through very easily and left a clean hole. I came back and filed that down a little bit and then sprayed some rust preventative paint on there to keep it from rusting. Next thing I did was just screw in the plug and route the wire and plug it into the other plug for the block heater. I think it turned out great. It's going to be a lot easier for me to plug and unplug this from my truck, and I'll be less likely to drive off with it still plugged up. If you want one of your own, click on the link down in the description below.